Are you bored of using plain text for your information channels? In this video, you will learn step by step how to create these beautiful looking embeds using Sapphire Bot. You'll only need these 5 things to make beautiful looking embeds. First one is a proper Discord setup that includes channels and roles. Now, I've already made a detailed video on how you can do this for yourself. You can find the link of this video in the description. Second one is the text formatting. And I already made a video last year. Make sure to check that out. And if you want an updated version, then you can check out this Notion guide. Link is in the description. Third one is the graphics. And for that, I'll be using these headers in this video. If you want a tutorial on how to make them, then let me know in the comments, and I'll drop a tutorial on that as well. Fourth one is the emojis, and they can either make or break your embeds, so choose wisely. Since you guys are lucky, I provided a pack link in the description where you can find all the emojis. If you want to change the color of these emojis, then you can use Photopea. Click on the option of Open from Computer. Select the emoji. At the bottom, you'll see an effects option. Click on that and select Color Overlay. Change the color and hit OK. As you can see, the color has been changed. Now go to File, Export as PNG. Click on Save option and the file will be downloaded. You can follow the same steps for every other emoji. If you want to upload these emojis on your server, then click on the server name. Go to Server Settings, Emojis, Upload Emojis. Select the emojis that you want to upload. As you can see, they have been uploaded and you can start using them. Finally, the most important part, how to mention anything in the embeds, whether it's a role, emoji, channel, or anything. So let's see how you can do that. On Discord, go to any text channel. To get the channel ID, use #. Select the channel and then add / at the beginning. This is how the channel ID will look like. To get the user ID, use its symbol, mention the user, and then add / at the beginning. Same goes for the role ID. Use its symbol, mention the role, and then add / at the beginning. To get the emoji ID, select the emoji, and then add / at the beginning. These 4 are the important ones. If you want to know more, then you can check out this Notion guide. By the way, if you don't want to go through all of this yourself and would rather hire a professional to do the heavy lifting for your community, then we got you covered. We offer paid services related to Discord. So if you're interested, just fill out the form. It's the first link in the description. Now, let's start making the embeds. To create the embeds, I'll be using Sapphire Bot, so make sure to add the bot to the server. You'll find the website link in description. Once you're on the Sapphire dashboard, go to the Messages tab, then click on Create New Template. Write the template name. I'll write Server Rules, because that's the first embed we're going to create. Now, you will see 3 different options here. Don't get overwhelmed, because we're only going to use the Edit tab. To simplify this for you, Edit tab is where you can create and edit the templates. On the Preview tab, you can see how it'll look. And through the Use tab, you can send this message template on Discord. Now, let's go to the Edit tab. Click on the Clear option to start everything from scratch. Click on the Embed option to start creating an embed. You can click on the left sidebar to change the embed color. You can select the color manually or enter the hex code of the color. Here's a preview of how you can use Sapphire embeds. I'll be mostly using the description field to create the embeds. I already have the info with me, so I'll just paste them here. Now, to make the heading bigger, use # followed by a space. Now, let's add an emoji here. To do that, press Windows key plus period key to open the emoji panel. If you're on Mac, press Ctrl plus Command plus spacebar. Using backticks, I'll add the emoji in code blocks. On the Preview tab, you might not notice the difference, but trust me, it's huge. I'll use triple backticks to create an entire line of code block to separate the information. To add a colored line, we will use divider emoji. On Discord, go to any text channel, look for the divider line, make sure to add a backslash before the emoji, and then send the message. You'll get an emoji code, copy it, and paste this on the embeds. I'll use the same emoji multiple times to create a long line. Now, I'll add a bullet point emoji. I'll also remove the spaces between them so that it looks clean. As you can see, it is looking much better. Now, let's use hyperlink for the TOS and community guidelines. To do that, add square brackets on both the sides of the main text, and then use parentheses for the link. As you can see, the text has been hyperlinked. Finally, let's add quotes to the bottom text. Use greater than symbol followed by a space. Now go to the Use tab, select the channel, and send the message. As you can see, it is looking super good. Now, if you have a header image, then you can add that as well. To do that, go to Private Text Channel, add the header images. I've already added them. Click on the image, then click on the three dots and choose Copy Link. Now, at the bottom, you will see an option of adding image. Click on that and paste the link that you've just copied. As you can see, the image has been added, but the dividers have shifted on another line. To fix this, remove some of the divider emojis. This is the final result. Now the second embed is about channel info. I already have the info with me, so I'll paste it here. I'll use hash sign followed by a space to make the text bigger. Using greater than symbol, I'll add quote formatting. I'll use triple hash sign to make the second heading a little bit bigger. As you can see, I've already written the info about each of the channel. I just need to mention the channel name. To do that, let's open Discord. Use a hash sign and write the channel name. Add backslash at the start of the channel name, and you'll get a channel ID. Copy that and paste it in the embeds. As you can see, the channel mention is showing in the embeds. I'll go ahead and do the same for other channel names. Now, let's add the header image at the bottom. This is how the embed is looking so far. As you can see, there's more gap between the information, so let's fix that. Finally, let's add the divider line. I'll quickly copy them from the previous embed and add the bullet points as well. Here's the final look. Now, let's create another embed of role info. I've already made the embed and added the info. Let's see how you can mention any particular role in an embed. To do that, open Discord and mention the role. Add / at the start and send the message. Copy and paste this on the embeds. As you can see, the role has been mentioned. Let me do this for the rest of the roles. To make it even better, we can use the indentless formatting. For the role mention, use hyphen followed by a space. For the role info, add double space at the start, then add hyphen plus another space. It is looking super good, so let's add the header image for the final touch. Now for the final embed, we are going to see how you can align your information horizontally. I've already made the embed and added the info. So, to align it horizontally, we are going to use the Fields option. Field name is similar to title, and field value is similar to the description. Make sure to toggle the inline option, then only it'll work. On the Preview tab, you might not see the difference because we have not added anything under the field value. So I'll quickly mention the roles under the field value. As you can see, they've been properly aligned. Now I'll add the dividers and the header link. Here's the final result. Now, if you want, you can remove these headings using a secret technique. Just use 2 asterisk sign, followed by a space, and again, 2 asterisk sign. This will be used as an invisible space. Here's the final look.